Assalamu alaikum, all of you. This is Samrina, and today we are here with another topic that is about the government solution to the unemployment, or we can say how government can control the unemployment. Fine. So, if we talk about the unemployment, what is unemployment? In a state, when the number or the portion of people who are looking for the job, but due to some reasons they don't have or they are unemployed, so we can say there is unemployment in the economy. So today we are discussing about that how government can control the unemployment. As you know that unemployment is one of the major economic problem. Fine. So here we will try to understand that which type of policies are being adopted by the government to control this situation, and how government can achieve the equilibrium level by taking some policies. Fine. So let's start our topic. Okay. In today's topic, two type of unemployment we are going to discuss. First one is demand deficit unemployment, and the second one is structural unemployment. Okay. So first one is solution for the cyclical or demand deficit unemployment. What is the demand deficit unemployment? In this type of unemployment, the unemployment can be occur due to low level of aggregate demand. Here the question arises that how the low level of aggregate demand can cause the unemployment level. Okay, definitely when there is low level of aggregate demand in the economy, means consumer are decreasing the demand for goods. So in this way, firm will also decrease the supply level. So accordingly or automatically the level of uh, unemployment will increase, because in this situation firm will not hire the maximum level of people, uh, because already demand is too much low in the economy. So firm will not take this step to increase their employed persons level. So in this way the unemployment will increase. So here the government can play a vital role to increase aggregate demand. As aggregate demand will increase, unemployment level will decrease. Now how government can take some steps? Here are some major tools by the government. Solution through fiscal policy and the monetary policy. These are the major tools by the government. As we talk about the fiscal policy, here the government can decrease the tax or can increase the tax according to the situation, as you know better about it. And if we talk about the monetary policy, so it is all about the money supply. So central bank can decrease the money supply or can increase the money supply according to the situation. But as we are talking about the unemployment, so how these two policies are being adopted for this situation we will discuss now. Fiscal policy solution. As the major part of the household income is used for the taxes, so if government will decrease the tax, then consumer in this way can increase the demand for goods, definitely. And if we talk about the firm, due to decrease in tax level or tax rate, the firm can hire the employees to produce the goods. So in this way, automatically the unemployment level will decrease. So we can say when government takes some steps to decrease the tax level, So it can be favorable for the economy, and due to this the unemployment level will also decrease. Fine. Okay, if we talk about the monetary policy, so we know that when central bank will decrease the interest rate, then the investment level will increase by the firm side, and due to increase in money supply, consumer will increase the demand for goods. Because availability of money will be increased, then definitely people will increase the demand. So all this situation will lead to increase in employment level in the economy, and with the government uh, investment of the economy will also be able to maintain the employment level. So in this way the government can play a vital role to manage these two type of uh, by adopting these two type of policies. So this situation can be uh, overcome, or we can say the problem can be decreased as the unemployment level will decrease, so it can be favorable for the economy. Fine. Okay, second one is solution to structural unemployment. What is the structural unemployment? The key here is to try to enhance the occupational mobility of people, so that the people who are unemployed just due to this reason they become more able to take available jobs. Means the people are unemployed due to some basic problems, like they are not skilled, they are not educated. So how the government can help out? So what government can do to lower the uh, unemployment level? They can do several things, like education system, they can give adult training programs, subsidize things by tax breaks. So all these things will be enable the people to have occupational mobility. Fine. Okay, but say there are some disadvantages of such type of policies are also there. How these are disadvantages? Because all these steps, as we talked about earlier, like government can adopt educational system, adult training program, and subsidies, tax break. So all these steps required what? Government spending. Fine. So the first is that they are likely to involve a high opportunity cost, as government will have to forego spending in other areas to be able to afford the strategies. The second one is that these policies are really only effective in the long term. First one disadvantage is there, that government have to bear many type of cost in this way, and the second one is this type of policies required uh, long period. So in this way these policies have some disadvantages as well. Fine.